Hey guys, Hal is here. Do you know that you can actually earn on YouTube without ever showing your face or creating your own videos? Yes, you heard me right. In this video, I'm going to be taking you in 3 different methods in which you can be able to earn on YouTube without ever facing the camera or creating your own video, right? If this sounds like something that interests you, please do not skip any part of this video. Endeavor to watch to the very end, and without wasting much of your time, let's dive in. The first method you can use to earn on YouTube is by uploading other people's video. Hold on. Do not hop out of this video because what comes to your mind was, what is this one saying? What about copyright? Calm down. I'm going to be taking you step by step on how you can upload other people's content on YouTube and your YouTube channel will still get monetized. Okay. There is something called CCL. CCL means Creative Commons License, alright? There are a bunch of videos on YouTube that are under the CCL, which is you can actually take this video, remodel it, or upload the video just the way you downloaded it, and your channel will still get monetized because it's under the CCL, which is Creative Commons License, which means that anyone can use that video for anything, that for commercial use, that video will be 100% yours. Okay, before you start downloading these videos on YouTube, you are going to be choosing a niche in the sense that the kind of videos you want to be uploaded. You don't want to upload how to make money online today, tomorrow you upload health and fitness, tomorrow you upload how to grow on YouTube. You are just all over the place. What you need to do is for you to choose a niche. That's the particular type of videos you want to be uploaded. Let me take for instance, you want to just be uploading for fitness or weight loss. So in this video we are going to be taking fitness as a case study. If you are using a phone, you are going to go to your Chrome browser and type YouTube desktop site. When it opens, just hold the first link down with your hand a little bit. Then within few seconds there's going to be a drop down menu. That drop down menu, click on open a new tab. Alright, when you open a new tab, it's going to take you to YouTube desktop site. The reason why you are doing this, if you just click on the first link, it's going to take you to your YouTube app, if maybe you have a YouTube app already on your phone. If you are on the desktop site now, what you are going to do is for you to go to the search bar, but you are going to be typing the kind of videos you want to download. As I earlier said, in this video we are going to be taking fitness as a case study. Mind you, you can choose any niche, much that you know that niche is profitable. So I'm going to type fitness. When I type fitness, I'll search on it. There beside it, you are going to see filter. Click on filter. After clicking on filter, locate Creative Commons. You are going to click on Creative Commons. Once you click on Creative Commons, all the videos that are showing on your screen now, they are all Creative Commons videos. They are free. That once you download them, you can use them as your own, or you can still tweak it a little bit, add something, remove something. You can just still upload it like that, but I would advise that you should just tweak it a little bit to still make it your own. Okay, that's the number one method on how you can earn on YouTube without creating videos. Just keep posting those kind of content on your YouTube channel, and with consistency you will see that your YouTube channel will grow. Before the YouTube channel will get to the monetization milestone, it's advisable for you to start promoting affiliate links. When you start promoting affiliate link that is related to your niche. The number 2 method you can actually use to earn on YouTube without you facing the camera, it's you using stock images or stock videos. What do I mean? Let me take for instance, you have a channel called Top 10 Fitness. Top 10 Fitness in the sense that everything you are uploading on your channel, maybe let me take for instance, Top 10 exercise for flat tummy, alright? Top 10 exercise for sagging breast. Everything is just talking about top 10. What you are going to do, if you are going to be taking this second route, what you are going to do is this. It's for you to go to Google and type top 10 exercise to gain muscle. Let me take for instance, top 10 exercise to gain muscles. When you go to Google, it's going to show you the 10 exercise for you to gain muscle. What you are going to do is each of the name of the exercise, go to Pixabay or go to Pixels or other free website that can give you free stock footage or free stock videos. Just go there and search for that particular exercise, you are going to see numerous videos in which people are doing that same exercise. The website I normally use is, I use Pixels and I use Pixar. What you are going to do is, you get the #1 exercise on your list. You are going to go to Pixel or Pixabay and search for that same exercise, either the video or the image. Once you see it, you are going to proceed to the second one and look for the video, the third one. That's how you are going to do, and you get your 10 videos together. What you are going to do is for you to go to CapCut or InShot or any editing tool that you know you can use, but I prefer you using CapCut and InShot because they are very simple to navigate. Just put those videos one after the other in how you actually explain them. You can decide to add a voice over, either with your voice to record just to explain how the exercises are going, or with an AI, or you can still choose not to use voice at all. Just make sure you add auto capture. Once the video start playing, you make sure you add auto capture. Maybe #1, you show the name of the exercise and the person doing it. #2, you write the name of the exercise. With CapCut or InShot, you can actually do this thing within minutes, and your video will be ready for upload. Set upload schedule for yourself, okay? To be uploading videos on my YouTube channel 4 times in a week. It's doable because it's easy. You can even decide to be uploading video every day on your channel. These videos are actually very easy to do because you are not setting your camera, you are not cracking your brain on what to do or what not to do. It's just for you to go to the free website and get these videos, put auto capture on them, and your video is ready. If you have watched this video to this extent, it means it's value for your time. Please consider smashing the like button for me, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and turn on your bell notification to get notified each time I upload a beautiful content just like this one. The third and my very favorite method on how you can start earning on YouTube without facing the camera or without creating your own video is going into the African folktale niche. See, that particular niche is very high in demand. Reason be that there is a wide range of audience who are ready to consume these videos. If you go to African Folktales channel, you will see that these people are getting millions of views every day because there's a wide range of audience who are ready to consume these African folktale videos. All right, if you go into the African folktale niche today and you are serious, within 60 to 90 days you get your channel monetized. And the beautiful part is, to even create all these videos is actually very easy. What you need to do is for you to generate images with an AI. You can also use an AI to generate a voiceover, or you can decide to use your own voice. Put these things together on CapCut and your video is ready for upload. If you want me to do a full dedicated video on how you can create your channel, on how you can get your script, on how you can just put everything together to make sure that your African folktale channel is up and running, let me know down in the comment section. I'm going to be creating that video step by step on how you can actually start your African folktale channel and smile it on the back in no time. Okay, these are the 3 legit, tested and trusted methods that you can actually use to earn on YouTube without ever showing your face in the camera, guys. I need you to hop on this method right now. If you are thinking of how you can come onto the YouTube space without you not facing the camera, or without you not ever showing your face, or without anybody not knowing the face behind this channel. So these are the 3 tested and trusted methods that you can actually use to earn on YouTube without you ever facing the camera. Okay, the next videos that are showing up on your screen right now, and the videos that YouTube recommend that you should watch from this channel, just click any of this video and I will see you in the other side.